ambazo zapita ni wachome, ni wachoje.
Hiyo vlog hiyo fai.
Ha?
Wamulike tu wote.
Hello my good people, welcome back. This is your boy Farm with Maxwell, yeah? So today I've just come to see some animals over here. Here they are, yeah? Very well. Yeah, these animals are grazing very well over here. This is what we call grazing. Yeah, we have a lot of animals here. So today I've come to pay a visit in a school. This is just a school setup where they embrace this grazing system, which is being done very well. For those who have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe so that we can be learning a lot of things. Yeah, you know, for me, I enjoy the animals the way they are eating from the ground. Yeah, you see, like these animals, they are feeding from the ground, which is something very interesting, something very motivational. We can see even we have some we call those sheep. Yeah, we have some sheep there, kids for sheep. So these are cattle. They feed very well and I really enjoy these. Yeah, you see the way they are feeding from the ground level, yeah, the carpet level. Wow. Then I was just showing us how some schools venture into farming. Apart from we say teaching, yeah. Like these, you can see this male goat over here. These are male goat. It looks very good. I like this color, white color. Wow, it looks very good, yeah. Then we can see some other animals over here. Those all are animals. You can even see some kids playing over there, which is something very good. Then we can see some napiers. This is where they get their feeds, yeah, from this farm over here, where we see some napier grass thriving very well. Look the way these sheep, they eat from the ground, yeah. These are male sheep. Very big. This is the meat master. The meat master is very big, and it is feeding from the ground. We have other sheep over here. They are grazing from the ground. We have a lamp here. So this lamp should be placed with a rubbering, yeah. Wow. I see kids are playing over here. So which is very much enjoyable, something very good, yeah. You can even see some other animals over there. You can see those ones are going to drink water from the river. Those ones, yeah. Those ones are going to the river to drink water. So those ones are pure indigenous animals, yeah. Those are indigenous animals. But for these ones, you can see these ones are even these sheep and goat over here, they're indigenous. One thing about sheep, yeah, sheep, they are browsers, yeah. So you'll be seeing sheep trying to pick some items from the ground. Then for these not sheep, goat, yeah. Then these sheep, they are grazers. You can see they are picking from the ground. They like something like carpet grazing. Then we see those animals over there. They are feeding very nicely, yeah. We now have children over here. They're playing football. Let me show you. These children are playing football over here, which is something very good. It makes them happy exercising. Yeah, niaje? It makes them happy exercising. We have different balls here. You can see they're playing. Wow. You can see a lot of games. We have ladies there playing that kind of a game. Let me show you interesting how African games are. See, those are girls playing. You can see we have even juala. These were just made from polythene. Girls are playing those games over there. Wow. Then we can see others playing volleyball in the other field there. That is volleyball. That is volleyball. Let us see the way they're playing volleyball. Oh, they're serving there. Wow. Let us see the way they're playing volleyball. Okay. Then we have football over here. This is football. I want to see the way these guys kicking the ball, yeah? From that angle to the goal post. This is how Africans we enjoy football, yeah? So I want to capture this moment about this boy, yeah? Wow. They're outside, yeah? This is how footballers start playing game, yeah? I really enjoy. Look at these kids over here. They enjoy this ball, yeah? Wow. That is skill. That's amazing skill. Even he's laughing to the other guy. He was just, you know, there is nothing happy like enjoying moments when kids are playing football. Wow. Wow. These are kids very happy playing football over here. Yeah, I like the way they're playing this ball. This is how footballers start. Yeah. So I won't be disturbing them. I won't really be disturbing them. I'll be minding my own business. Wow. Outside. We have girls, we have boys playing ball games. They're enjoying themselves, yeah? Which seems very good. Let us go and see the structure of cows, the way they have constructed. A farm inside a school. Wow, structure farming inside a school. Mambo, uko poa? Hata mimi niko poa. So let me show you. Here's where they put the manure. Let us look at some calves over here. Before we see some calves over here, let us see how they're chopping these feed here. Wow. Yeah, you see animals after feeding over there, they are coming here so that they can be supplemented with this fodder. This is what we call fodder. So supplementation occur here after feeding. Yeah, hello. Yeah. Nakuja. Nimeenda kudai deni. Yeah. So this is a hay. This is a store of hay. So after feeding there, they supplement this hay with this one here. So they mix all together. This is the machine that chops this hay. Yeah. This is a machine that chops this fodder. Wow. This is a machine that chop. So this is not gasoline. This is just a fuel machine. Let us see some calves inside here. This is the place where I came the other time. This is the crash. Yeah, this is the crash over here. How do they open this door? Yeah, we see some calves here. They've been closed so as when their mothers are coming here, they don't circle, yeah? They don't circle. Wow, they look very healthy. Here they are. Wow. So after these calves, look at this housing, yeah? A very simple structure. I usually tell people one day, one time, when I'll be having a piece of land, I'll be building a very simple structure like this one. As long as you provide shelter, you can see the way the iron sheet, they provide shelter. The walls allow free flow of air, so that means they're good when it comes to ventilation. You can see here, this is where supplementation is being done. Some other supplementation is being done from this point over here, you see. Then look at this floor, a concrete floor, very clean, everything goes well. So guys, that's enough for today. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe, so that we'll be learning a lot of things about animals. So I really appreciate for you watching this video till the end. Let's meet some other time. Goodbye for now, till we meet again. Goodbye.